everyone, so we have this little lawnmower. It's a Poulan Pro, I think that's how you pronounce it. Got it from a coworker, so we're gonna see if we can get it started. The pull cord is not working at all, so what we'll do is we'll take this cover off, see if it's just stuck or if the engine is actually locked up. Okay. But it does spin freely now, so let's put this cover back on. Just sprayed some WD-40 in there, see if that will help it at all. Okay, check our oil. It's got oil. It's probably old gas in here. Nope, no gas at all. So I'm gonna go see if I can find some real quick. I didn't expect it to start that easy. Huh. Yeah, it's from a coworker, and they told me that they tried to get it running, but couldn't get it running. So I expected I had to clean the carb or something, but I mean, all I did was just take that cover off and just spray some WD-40 on the spring mechanism, but that's it. Could use a new air filter though. I guess what we can do is just kind of clean everything up, change the oil, change the spark plug, and could use a new blade. I mean, it's pretty dull. But underneath of it, it's pretty clean. So yeah, what we'll do is we'll get a new blade and then change the oil, spark plug, and clean it up. Well, that was an easy fix. So we're just gonna pull the carburetor off and clean it up. Yep. Let's get that fuel line off. There's the carburetor. It's all plastic. Okay, we'll get this all cleaned up. It's actually really clean in there. just spray everything out. I mean, it was running, so I'm just doing this just to be safe. I don't know if you can see it, but the needle's moving freely. Okay, let's get it back on. Okay. Get our fuel line hooked back up. Okay, and we'll also change out the air filter and the spark plug and change the oil. But right now, I do not have the air filter or the spark plug yet. It is on the way in the mail. So as soon as we get those, we'll get them put on. Okay, everyone, so I finally got the air filter and spark plug in. So now we can read and change this out. There we go. Got the spark plug. But what we'll do first is we'll disconnect the spark plug, take it out, and then we'll take the blade off and get that sharpened. Yeah, it could be replaced, but I'm gonna try to keep this on a budget. So yeah, let's get this sharpened. you good? Sorry, you didn't see anything. We got to put it back on. Now you can see I did grind on this side a little bit. But we got to put back on, and we'll torque it to 45 foot-pounds. I believe that's the torque measurement, but I could be wrong. Okay, here's our new spark plug, and we'll get that put in there. Leaking quite a bit of fuel. Okay. Okay, you can see that right between the hash marks, so that is good. Okay, and I'd say this mower is complete. I don't want to put too much more time into it. I will clean it up and that'll be it. Thanks for watching.